Tiffany. I'm about to cheese smack my mom. I know I've already done this prank, but this time it's gonna be so much better. Get your cheese. Little bit of mustard. Let's go do this thingy. She's gonna be so pissed. Oh, sorry guys. I have to cheese smack with the right hand. Here we go. That was amazing.